Hi everyone, welcome to the Krishna Bhakti Club's vegetarian cooking class. Thank you for coming. My name is Ashish, I'll be doing the demonstration today. So I'm following a recipe from this cookbook. It's called The Art of Indian Vegetarian Cooking, and it's by someone named Mother Yamuna. She's a really good cook. I remember last week Ganesham used a different cookbook. This is also another really good one. So if you guys are more interested in the recipe or in other similar recipes, you're free to check it out afterwards. So khichdi is a really good recipe because I've heard people say that you could literally have an entire meal made just of khichdi. It has everything in it. It has rice, lentils, and vegetables, and it's really healthy and satisfying, and it's sort of also pretty simple to make. So I'm going to throw in some ginger and cumin seeds right now. Forgot to put it on high. So what I'm going to do next is throw in the asafoetida and start cooking some of the vegetables. So this is cooking a lot faster just because I'm doing a much smaller quantity than what's called for. We have a smaller wok here. So I'm just going to throw in the cauliflower now, and the carrots and tomatoes will cook quicker, so I'm just going to throw them in more towards the end. And I'm supposed to wait till it starts browning. Like I said, it usually takes a couple more minutes, but it's cooking really fast right now. So I'll go ahead and throw in the rice and dal. So I just mixed these together before. So mung dal is basically lentils. They're used a lot in Indian cooking. They have lots of protein and they're really healthy for you. Looks a little messy right now, but now we're pretty much just going to start adding everything in at once. I'm going to throw in the water and the remaining vegetables. One thing that's really important in Indian cooking, I think Ganesham mentioned this last week, is just how the food looks when you're preparing it. One thing I did purposely is I made sure I used different colors, different varieties of vegetables like orange carrots, red tomatoes, and green peas. Just because in cooking, you want to make sure the food actually looks appetizing, because they say the digestive process actually begins before you start eating. And if you see something that looks like really, really good, you'll definitely start digesting even before you start eating. I'm going to throw in the turmeric, and turmeric is a spice that gives a yellow color to all the vegetables. And it's also really healthy for you. It has lots of medicinal benefits. And the salt. And after that, you pretty much just have to let it cook. It looks like a mess right now, but if you let it cook for let it boil for maybe about 20-25 minutes, it starts coming out nice and well made.